Hey there, guys. How you doing? This is Chris Johns here at Guaranteed Rate, and wanted to share something with you today. Years and years ago, I created something called a cost per thousand worksheet, and it was kind of inspired by some folks that had some money, had lots and lots of debt, and wanted to distribute it in the smartest way that they could, not only to help their credit, but also put them in the best financial situation possible. So this is kind of a budgeting tool and a way to analyze your open trade lines, your credit cards and auto loans and all of those things to kind of see which one, if you had some extra money, you would want to pick on and pay off. So what I did here was I created this scenario right here where somebody has about 7 or 8 open trade lines here, and these are the balances on all of them. So what I do for my clients is I take these balances and I put them in my Excel worksheet, and then I put the payments next to them, and we kind of start to look at it. So if you just stare at these trade lines, it's a little bit hard to extract which one is actually the most expensive loan or which one is costing you the most. So how do we know which one of those trade lines is costing us the most and which ones to pick on? Let's go to the cost per thousand worksheet and find out. So the way that I have framed this scenario today is that, let's say someone is getting a $10,000 tax refund, and these are the debts that they have on their credit right now. And they come to me and ask, what should I do with this $10,000? Where would be the smartest place to put it? So what I did here was I reorganized all of these in my spreadsheet so I can kind of illustrate to you how the cost per thousand worksheet looks like. So what I have here is all of the same balances and payments. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with this top one. So if we have a $4,000 balance on a credit card and a $200 payment, what we're going to find is that if that balance were only $1,000, then the payment would be $50. So that way we're able to compare all of these trade lines in an apples to apples kind of a way. So we know if the balances were just $1,000, which one would be the most expensive. So what I did here was I ranked them now. And so we can see that that $4,000 one is indeed their most expensive loan. So with the $10,000 that they have, they would want to put the first 4,000 of it towards this credit card, get that one paid to zero, and then they would go down onto the next one, and they've got another $6,000 left and pay off this one. So this is kind of a way to look at your budget. If your credit cards and things have gotten a little bit out of control, maybe you have 5 or 6 credit cards with balances on them and you want to start picking on them, this is a really nice way to kind of figure out which one to start with. So if you would like help analyzing your own credit, your own budget, and kind of coming up with a financial strategy, I'd love to help you. Please contact me, and I'd very much appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to this video. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care.